Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I usually post videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification button so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So today I do have how I'm going to be organizing my Petite Noe, and as you guys know, I have just been loving this bag, but honestly it is just a mess inside of here just because it is just like a hole inside of this bag. So I did get this Samorga bag organizer to go ahead and go inside so that I can keep myself just a little bit, or actually just more organized. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up and see how all of the things that is currently fitting inside of my bag will fit inside of my new organizer. And so this is the one that, hold on. So this is the one that I got from the Samorga website, and I chose the one with I don't even know what this is called, but it's like with a rounder insert, and there was another one that came with two, but I chose the one with one. I mean, if there was one with none of these, I probably would have took it, but this was the only option, so yeah, I think I have a use for it. So let's go ahead and see what I am going to be putting in here. So let me show you what I currently have inside. I'm actually just going to go ahead and untie this so it's easier. Alright, so right now, of course, I do have my desk agenda cover that's inside the dust pouch, and I do have my mini pochette. I have my wallet. I have a battery. I have my AirPods, my key holder, and also my key pouch that I'm probably gonna keep there, but maybe not. Okay, let's see. So this is the one that I chose. This one is in the color brown, and let me show you the color match. So it's not like a perfect color match, or it's not even very similar at all. I thought it was gonna be more brown, but I guess I maybe should have chose like heather or camel or something along that lines, but honestly it just really doesn't matter. But let's go ahead and try out the fit first. And here's what it looks like inside. Ooh, yeah, this will work. It already looks so much more organized, and here's what it looks like with the drawstring closed. So it does reach up to obviously right over here, because that's where you can kind of see like the indent in the crease. So it helps keep the structure of the bag as well. But I'm actually going to go ahead and take this out and put it back in when I'm done kind of organizing. So here again is the inside, and it has two pockets here on the outside, one large pocket on the other side, two here on the interior. What's this? And also two here on the interior, and then also this round one here, and then just space. So there's no other pockets on the other side. And then here is the tag for Samorga. So let's go ahead and see how I kind of want to go ahead and organize all of this stuff. This is what was currently in my bag. But yeah, so first things first, I kind of want to see like, how my desk agenda is going to go ahead and fit. So again, I do like to carry my cover inside of the my planner inside of the dust cover, and yay, it still fits with the organizer, but I'll put that in last so that you can see that. But yeah, so if I did, I'm gonna put my key pouch or my key holder right over here, and then I have my key pouch. I would go over here next to that. See, this is my AirPods case. It's a little sloth. And I would put that in right over here. And then I do have my mini pochette and then my wallet. I would go over here. And then this can go right here. I think that's a good space for it. And then of course my planner can go right over here. And I do have my pen in here. My pen is actually inside of here. And let me show you actually what this looks like with the planner inside. So here is what the desk agenda looks like with the planner inside without the cover. So it does fit perfectly with or without the cover. And so because this one, it does not have like a pen holder like my Speedy 30 organizer, I could just go ahead and put this right over here, and like any other pens that I want to go ahead and put inside. And voila, this is what my bag is going to look like. So I think it should be easy to put this in. So let's go ahead and try it. Uh-oh. It's hard to do it with a camera in front of me. Oh my god. Oh, there. It's going. It's going. There we go. Hold on. There we go. So here is what the inside of my bag looks like now. Doesn't it look so much better with the organizer? Yeah, it looks perfect. So again, let me go ahead and close this up. And I'm just gonna tie a little knot right over here. But yeah, so here is what the Petite Noe looks like with the organizer. And honestly, just so happy how all of my things just kind of like perfectly fit inside of the organizer. And I do have like one extra pocket right over here that I could use. But yeah, I think I'll find something for that in the long run. But here's how like everything else just kind of fit. And I do have a Samorga organizer for my Niece Mini and also for my Speedy 30. Let me go ahead and show you those right now too, so that I can just show you like the quality. Alright, so here are my 3 Samorga bag organizers. This one here is from my Niece Mini, and this one is in the color beige. This one is for my Petite Noe, obviously, and it's in the color brown. And this one is for my Speedy 30, and this one is in the color red. And so honestly, I just love Samorga bag organizers just because they do help keep the structure of all of my bags, and also they do help keep the interior of the bags clean. And something else I do like is the quality. This is the 2mm felt, and I just feel that this is going to last me a very long time versus something that may be of cheaper quality. Although they do get like the job done of like organizing, I feel like these are just going to last a very, very long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!